Alright, today I'm going to be the one-day vending machine top-up guy. Okay, just now we are going to the where's that warehouse to collect our drinks, then followed by to our first location. I'll see you there. Bye. Okay, now we have reached our warehouse. We are going to do some stock up and we are ready for our first location. Yep. Later I'll show you guys how the stock up like. Alright, I'll see you later. Ended my day with 2 locations and 5 vending machines. Conclusion, tiring. Alright, so I'll see you guys soon. Bye.